If you're in search of a durable, high-performing skillet that's perfect for both indoor and outdoor cooking, this Utopia Kitchen 12-inch pre-seasoned cast iron skillet may be just what you need. This versatile pan delivers restaurant-quality results with a timeless, heavy-duty design that improves with every use. Let's dive into why this skillet is a must-have in any kitchen and explore how it can elevate your cooking experience. Key benefits that make Utopia Kitchen Skillet a must-have. 1. Pre-seasoned surface. Comes ready to use out of the box, with a natural non-stick coating that improves with each use. 2. Ample cooking space. The 12-inch diameter offers enough space to cook larger meals, perfect for family dishes. 3. Versatile cooking. Suitable for various cooking methods from stovetop frying to oven baking and grilling. 4. Improves nutritional value. Adds essential iron to your food naturally, benefiting health-conscious cooks. 5. Long-lasting quality. With proper care, this skillet will last for decades, making it a cost-effective investment. Why choose the Utopia Kitchen Cast Iron Skillet? When it comes to cast iron, Utopia Kitchen Skillet stands out for its craftsmanship, even heating, and natural seasoning. Whether you're searing a steak, baking cornbread, or simmering a stew, this skillet does it all. Here's why it's worth adding to your cookware collection. 1. Superior heat retention for even cooking. One of the most outstanding features of cast iron cookware is its superior heat retention. The Utopia Kitchen Skillet holds heat consistently, ensuring your meals cook evenly without constant temperature adjustments. This heat retention also keeps food warm for longer, so whether you're cooking indoors or outdoors, you'll enjoy delicious, evenly cooked dishes every time. Imagine perfectly seared steaks or golden brown pancakes, all cooked to perfection. This skillet makes it happen effortlessly. 2. Pre-seasoned finish for easy cooking and flavor enhancement. This skillet arrives pre-seasoned, meaning it has a protective layer of vegetable oil baked into the surface. Not only does this reduce the amount of oil needed while cooking, but it also enhances flavor with every use. Plus, with each meal, the pan's natural non-stick layer improves, making cooking and cleanup easier over time. 3. Multi-use versatility. Perfect for indoor and outdoor cooking. Whether you're cooking on the stovetop, in the oven, or over an open flame, the Utopia Kitchen Cast Iron Skillet is up to the task. Its 12-inch diameter offers ample cooking space for various meals, from stovetop frying and sautéing to baking and broiling in the oven. It's perfect for camping trips, backyard barbecues, and everyday home cooking, making it a true all-in-one piece of cookware. Take it from the kitchen to the campsite. This skillet's versatility makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. 4. Health benefits of cooking with cast iron. Cooking with cast iron is a great way to increase your iron intake naturally, especially beneficial for those with iron deficiencies. Research shows that cooking in cast iron can increase the iron content of your food by up to 20%. If you're looking to add a healthy twist to your cooking routine, the Utopia Kitchen Skillet makes it easy. Boost your meals with extra iron. Without even trying, this skillet not only cooks but also enhances nutrition. 5. Durable, long-lasting design that improves over time. A well-maintained cast iron skillet is virtually indestructible, often passed down through generations. With proper care, the Utopia Kitchen Skillet's performance and durability will only improve, giving you years of reliable use. Unlike non-stick pans that can wear out over time, cast iron actually becomes better seasoned and more non-stick with regular use. Tired of replacing cookware? Invest in a skillet that grows better with age, becoming a kitchen staple for years to come. Proper care for your cast iron skillet. For best results, hand wash the skillet with warm water and mild soap after each use. It's recommended to avoid soaking it in water, as this can cause rust. Dry the skillet thoroughly, then apply a light layer of vegetable oil before storing. This keeps the skillet seasoned and ready for your next cooking adventure. Avoid the dishwasher, as it can strip the seasoning and potentially damage the skillet's surface. A little care goes a long way. Simple maintenance is all it takes to keep this skillet in top shape. Final verdict. Is the Utopia Kitchen 12-inch cast iron skillet right for you? If you're looking for versatile, long-lasting cookware that can handle a variety of cooking tasks, the Utopia Kitchen 12-inch pre-seasoned cast iron skillet is an excellent choice. Its combination of superior heat retention, health benefits, and multi-purpose functionality make it an asset in any kitchen. Perfect for everything from casual home cooking to high-heat outdoor grilling, this skillet has the versatility and durability you need. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.